Years ago, Veeam began a quest to be #1 in the backup and recovery market. And thanks to you, the hundreds of thousands of dedicated IT pros from all over the world, Veeam has become the undisputed market leader. In appreciation for years of support and loyalty, we want to give you something in return. New Veeam Backup and Replication Community Edition. This special, free edition of Veeam Backup and Replication is packed with so much functionality that most companies would charge thousands for it. But not Veeam. We're giving you virtual, physical, and cloud data protection for free. With new Veeam Backup and Replication Community Edition, you can protect up to 10 VMs or a combination of VMs, physical servers, workstations, and even cloud instances for free with the same award-winning functionality of Veeam Backup and Replication Standard Edition. This is a $500 value per year, a free gift from Veeam designed especially for you. So go to veeam.com today, download a copy of Community Edition, and see how Veeam can protect your data. And while you're at it, try our other free products too. Veeam Backup for Microsoft Office 365 Community Edition for free Office 365 backup, and free Veeam agents for Microsoft Windows and Linux servers and workstations. You'll be glad you did.